welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day, a fantastic week. Okay, if you are not, it's not that bad. All right, so if this is your first time watching me and you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell icon on the side and turn it on so that whenever I upload a video you will get a notification. So once again, akwaba. So today I am going to keep it nice and simple. I am making Ghana cassava dough, okay? Banchimore. So I have cassava here. I have about 7 cassava. I'll probably say 6.5 because this is not like a full cassava. So 7 cassava or cassavas, 7 cassava. Okay, and then I have a knife. Of course, I'm going to peel the skin, the brown skin off. And one of the main ingredients you're going to use is you're going to need a sack, okay, butter. So sack, or what they call burlap bag, which you can find on Amazon. So this is like a basmati rice sack that I had. If you have something like this, you can use, because the reason why you want to use a sack is that the way it's like knitted, if I say it right, you want the water from the cassava to be able to escape, okay? So that is why I'm using sack, and that is what we use in Ghana. So find yourself a bottle and use. So let's get started. I have a blender. Of course, I'm going to use a blender to blend this, and a little bit of water. Sorry, a little bit of water if I need to, okay? A little bit of water to help him blend it. So
is it water or water?
What? It depends on the mood I'm in. So if you trust me, if you're not an expert at this, take it easy. This is a sharp knife, so you want to use a knife that is not so sharp. Okay, I've been doing this for a while. So, and then I want to cut the cassava in half to make it easy to peel. Okay, so you want to take the knife, okay, and then just gently lift the skin and peel. So that's basically what we are going to do. We're going to peel the skin of the cassava. So with cassava, the skin is harder, okay? So you have to apply some force when you make that cut. So just, can you hear that? And then just pull back on the other side, whether you want to go left or right, okay? And just peel. Once you're able to get to this point, you can use a smaller knife to work your way around the cassava, okay? And then I'm going to break this again. Okay, so there's a thread. There's going to be like a thread in the middle. You want to get that out, okay? So I'm just trying to, it doesn't matter how you break it apart, as long as it's easier for your blender to work. So after peeling the cassava and taking the thread from the middle, next thing you're going to do, like I said, cut it in smaller pieces to make it easier for your blender, and wash the cassava, okay? Wash it before you blend it. So, and this is what I have left after 7 cassava. You come in contact with cassava that maybe half of it is bad, so you have to cut that off, and that's perfectly fine, okay? If it smells funky, don't use it. So let's start the blending process. If you are going to use like the rice sack, please wash it, okay? Pre-wash it and dry it. You don't have to use soap. You can just use a little bit of vinegar water to just wash it and air dry it, okay? So our banchimore, agbelima, our agbelima is ready, nice and smooth, okay? So now I'm going to pour it in into my sack, okay? Then you do not want to leave this on your counter, okay? Because otherwise when the water starts, you know, coming out, and if you're not paying attention, it's going to smell out your whole house. And so what you can normally do is, if you can get like 2 steaks, you can line them like perfectly fine on, I won't use something like this, but like a bowl like this, you can line them up, okay? Find something sturdy, put it on. I'm trying to demonstrate, okay? And then you have something heavy sitting on it, pushing the water out. I'm going to show you in the kitchen over there. So let's go. So I have 2 bricks in a sink, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to set my cassava dough on here, okay? And then put another brick. This is very heavy on top of this. Okay, so this works. I got it to work, okay? All right, so I have 2 bricks, and then on top another 2 brick, and it's going to push the water out. So I would say this should take anywhere from 3 to 4 days to be ready because of how heavy the bricks is. So the bricks are. So guys, I'll be back and then check on it in a couple of days, okay? All right, see you then. Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, we are back to finish our cassava dough video, okay? So as you guys can see from the beginning of the video, I have it all, I had it wrapped up, and I had some stones sitting on it to help the water out, and it's been day 4. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and show you the end product. So this is what we have. So this is a total of about 2 cups of cassava dough, okay? Just do more, okay? Make sure you get, if you want to make a lot, you are getting anywhere from 15 to 20, I would say pieces of cassava, sticks of cassava, tubes of cassava. And then, yeah, you intend get a lot, okay? I sent Steven to the store, so I made do with what he bought, and I'm grateful. So I'm going to make some banku with it. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Would you make your own cassava dough at home, or you're like, no, Stella, this is too much work. I think I'm just going to buy ones from the store. Actually, I have seen some frozen cassava, grated cassava in the Chinese grocery stores. I have never bought them before, but I've seen them before. So yeah, comment, share, subscribe, okay? Until I come your way again with another video. Remain in God. We're going to make some banku. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.